Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off or switching to airplane mode to prevent accidental screen inputs. Then place the watch face down on a soft cloth to protect the screen. Once positioned, make sure you can clearly see the band lugs and the small quick-release lever on the band's backside. Use your thumb or a small flat fingernail to push that lever toward the center of the band. Hold the lever in and gently slide the band outward from the lug until it releases. Doing this slowly prevents scratching and lost parts. Once the first half is off, flip the watch and repeat the lever push on the opposite lug. You should apply steady, consistent pressure while pulling the band outward. If the band resists, wiggle it gently side to side as you maintain the lever pressure, because that eases the spring bar past the lug hole. For metal or multi-link bands that use spring bars, insert the small pin tool into the slot, depress the spring bar, and guide the link free. This reduces bending and prevents damage. To finish, check the spring bar ends and align the band with the lug holes, compress the spring bar, and press until you hear or feel a secure click. If the band won't seat, remove it and inspect both spring bar ends for bends, dirt, or lost O-rings. Clean with a soft brush and try again, or replace the bar if damaged. If problems persist, use a magnifier to confirm alignment or swap to a known-compatible Galaxy Watch 7 band, size to the correct lug width.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.